Hi Big Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from a field located in western Kentucky where a 340 engine horsepower Case IH AFS Connect 340 Magnum RowTrac tractor is working on fall tillage, preparing a seedbed for winter wheat. It's operating a Landoll 6230-30 Tandem Disk, which has a cutting width of 30 feet 4 inches. It's pulling a Brilliant packer to firm up the seedbed. In this presentation, I would like to share with you the tractor's production history, specifications, and base list price, as well as taking viewers for a ride in the cab of the tractor to talk with the operator about running this half-track machine. But first, let's head out to the field so that you can see and hear all this tillage action. Case IH introduced the AFS Connect series of Magnum RowTrac tractors in 2019. These machines were produced in Racine, Wisconsin through the end of model year 2024. They include a 340, 380, and 400 engine horsepower model. The 340 RowTrac tractor is powered by an 8.7 liter 531 cubic inch FPT turbocharged 6-cylinder 24 valve liquid cooled engine rated at 340 horsepower. It can achieve a power boost up to 410 horsepower when the tractor encounters tough field conditions, and it offers 290 PTO horsepower. This tractor is fitted with a 163-gallon diesel fuel tank and a 26-gallon diesel exhaust fluid tank for clean engine solutions. Customers that ordered a 340 RowTrac new could choose from 2 different transmissions. The tractor came standard from the factory with a power drive full power shift transmission offering 18 forward and 4 reverse speeds, which allow the machine to travel from 2.3 up to 25 miles per hour. An optional CVX drive is also available for the 340, which provides it with a constant variable transmission, which allows it to travel in infinite speeds from 0 to 25 miles per hour. The average standard weight of the 340 RowTrac is 36,000 pounds, and it can be fully field weighted up to 39,150 pounds. According to CaseIH.com, for model year 2024, the 340 Magnum RowTrac tractor with a power shift transmission had a base list price of $599,520. When the tractor is equipped with the CVX constant variable transmission, it has a base list price of $617,383. I'm up in the cab of a Case IH 340 Magnum RowTrac, and it is pulling a 30-foot Landoll disc and a Brilliant packer, preparing the seedbed for winter wheat. This field is just coming off of the corn harvest. We're running at just about 6.5 miles per hour. The tractor has a great view of the field, as well as mirrors and the 2-stage mirror so you can see the tracks and the implement in the back. And it's running on auto guidance. We can see the 30-foot strips here ahead of us, and there's also a Case IH 425 RowTrac Steiger working out here with the same Landoll disc, so they're working together, and the auto steer keeps them on a nice path so they can fill in the gaps and make wider turns. We can see right here on the Case IH 1200 Pro monitor where the field is getting painted in here as on the tillage passes. So how do you like this tractor? It looks pretty nice out in the field.
It seems to be a good tractor. I like it. It seems to have just enough power to pull this disc. Some days it can be a little tough, just depending on how the ground conditions are.
Sure. Well, it looks like it's working pretty easy today.
Yeah, we had to shallow them up a little bit from yesterday where the ground was still a little bit moist, and it was a lot more of a load on it whenever we had it all the way as deep as it would go in the ground. But we shallowed them up a few rounds, and it seemed to help quite a bit.
And we just had anywhere from 5 to 7 inches from the hurricane coming through a week ago, and it's makes the soil a lot easier working than it was previously. So are you happy with the 12 Pro 100 and the technology in the tractor?
Oh yes, I do like it. This is some of the only tractors I've ever run with the auto steer in it, so that's really all I know, but it seems to do pretty good.
What do you think of the track system on it as far as the ride? And
I like it. It seems to ride all right. Sometimes you'll run over a rock or something and it can be just a tad bit rough, but other than that, it seems to ride pretty smoothly. It doesn't bounce or nothing like the tired 340s do.
Well, it's nice, and I imagine it's pretty easy turning too, because you've got the steerable front end, and then you got the tracks for extra traction in the back.
Yeah, it doesn't do too bad.
As the tractor approaches the headland, we can see it's using auto guidance, which is Case IH AFS Connect, and the disc is filling in that pass right there, and it gives a nice advantage to have these skip rows for wider turns, which is less wear and tear on the disc, the packer, and the tractor. This is a CVX drive model, which allows it to maintain a constant speed across the field with ease, and allows the operator to adjust that speed as field conditions require. Push of the button, it's right back on auto guidance and steers itself into the next pass. I hope that you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field with and up in the cab of this Case IH 340 RowTrac tractor working on fall tillage. I would like to hear in the comment section below this video if you use Magnum tractors on your farm. Tell me about the model that you're running and the implements that it operates. If you have appreciated this presentation, I hope that you'll consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 3,000 videos of farm machines in action. As always, thank you for watching.